Today we are making 2-ingredient fudge. This is our most popular recipe on our website at livingonadime.com. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to take 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, put it in a microwave-safe bowl. You're going to add 1 bag of chocolate chips. Make sure it is 12 ounces and not 10. This recipe will not turn out if you use less than 12 ounces of chocolate chips. Then we're going to microwave this until the chocolate chips are melted. Add a tablespoon of butter. This is optional, but I like it. It makes the fudge just a little bit creamier. Then pour into a greased pan. Refrigerate until firm, and then we're going to cut into pieces. It'll take 3 to 4 hours to set up in the refrigerator. Then slice and serve. If you want to eat better and spend less, please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Go to livingonadime.com. This recipe is in the link in the description below.